Well, joining me now is David White from Schlumberger, Chief Technical Advisor, and also on the organising committee of this exhibition.
That's right.
If I can ask you first of all, how's the exhibition been going so far?
We've been really pleased with it, not just from the attendance, but we've had some fantastic keynotes and really good technical sessions. So it's been a great success all round.
If you can give me an idea, I know you're talking at the exhibition tomorrow, you're part of the session. I'm just interested in knowing how important a role digital energy can have in increasing asset value.
So as you know, we're going to have a conference here, first time in Aberdeen, the Intelligent Energy 2016. So intelligent energy is very much a part of that. So what's really interesting is that it's 150 years since the Industrial Revolution, and we're now entering the intelligent revolution. So intelligent energy and our ability to do and automate things is going to be incredibly important. Asset value, we'll be able to do things that we couldn't do before. Lots of autonomous system automation. The targets that we're going for offshore now are smaller, they're more difficult. We'll be able to produce things that we couldn't produce before, extending the life of the North Sea and the asset base there. But also we can remove people from potentially dangerous environments, so we don't have to send people offshore. We can project our experience and our expertise remotely, so we can go from the rig floor to the sea floor to the subsurface, all enabled by our ability to have intelligent systems.
Now, I'm presuming, like all other aspects of the oil and gas industry, intelligent energy has somewhat been affected by the current economic climate in which the industry faces at the moment.
Actually, no, I'd say it was the opposite of that. If you look at digital energy, it's accelerating. It's an intelligence revolution. So companies are actually investing more in that. And you can see the impact in your own life. From Siri on your phone to Google on your desktop, the intelligent agents that are being developed behind that by other parts of the industry, not the oil industry, are accelerating at an incredible rate. So our role is to draw these into our business and our industry and use them in ways that we've never done before.
So what would you say are some of the most innovative technologies out there at the moment?
There's loads of really good technology. Of course, the challenge is always to know what one's going to work. So you've seen some of them. So Google Glasses, really interesting stuff. It's been removed for now, so that stuff's not coming here. But if you look at voice recognition, just small things like that, the ability of your phone to translate exactly what you said and give you a reasonable answer, that was unheard of before. 30 years ago, we had this promise. They used to call it AI. Well, we don't call it that now because it had a bad name. But they had AI and it never delivered. Well, that promise is now coming today. These things are actually working. So there are wearables. Yeah, we're actually putting intelligence into clothing. You can now track workers, you can track their health real time, where they are in dangerous situations, so that you can really help. And this is just the beginning of where this technology will take us, and it's up to our imagination to see where it will go.
You must be very excited then that intelligent energy is coming to Aberdeen for the first time next year. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
So this is going to be a conference where we're bringing a lot of people together in lots of different areas to see how we can actually build on what's been done elsewhere and employ it in our business. So the great thing about Aberdeen, wonderful conference facilities. We'll have the chance for an exhibition there for suppliers to bring many different sorts of things. So what we want to do is we want to translate the buzzwords into reality. People talk about big data. What does that mean? Well, actually, there's lots of things it means for our ability to extract huge amounts of information from the masses of data that flood into our servers from reservoir models. And you can imagine it goes across lots and lots of different things. So intelligent energy is about looking at what can autonomous systems do for us, what can smart systems that we wear can do for us, how can we bring those into the business and actually extend the life and the output of the North Sea and all the oil regions around the world. Aberdeen is in the leading position because we're further down the decline curve than other places, so we're facing new problems. First time, we can solve them here and then spread them around the world.
You are such an obvious enthusiast for intelligent energy. What would you say to others who are thinking of coming to the conference next year? Why should people come along and visit it?
Actually, my answer is, why wouldn't you come? I mean, you want to learn about what these new things can do for our business. This is a great place to come and sample quite a broad cross-section of different aspects of what people badge as intelligence energy, but actually translate it into real things in our business, not just the nice things that you read in the newspapers, but concrete examples, people trying out stuff. And then also, there's an opportunity for small companies who've got lots of really good ideas to come along to show what they're able to do. There'll be technical papers and an exhibition, and it'll be fantastic.
Well, 10 minutes in your company, you can't fail to be enthused about it. We look forward to seeing you
we
next
look forward
year.
to seeing you as well. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks, David.